is my stall. It's Medfair, the fashion label that I've created. And what Medfair's about, it's about creating something that's very fun, very happy, very bright, to contrast the grey stereotypes of people with psychosis in the media. And it can be quite controversial, but generally the feedback's quite good because people can see that what I'm doing is turning something bad into something good. They can see that it's slightly tongue-in-cheek, that it's slightly ironic. So the feedback that I've had today at Open Up Conference has been really, really positive.
This is the Nana project, and it's developed from a children's book that I've been working on and writing, which has come out of my experiences of bipolar. And Nana goes on an adventure from her home in the North Pole to the South Pole, where of course polar bears shouldn't be, but she finds friendship there and comfort in her loneliness, and they help her to realise that her family need her and she should go back, and that, you know, you needn't be lost in depression. You can come back and recover.
I'm part of a project called Anti-Stigma. It's like a documentary of 30 minutes about mental health and the perspectives of people who have had mental breakdowns. What I got out of being in the project was the opportunity to express myself. We're going to be producing more copies and have them disseminated through community groups.
I think that all the things that have been talked about today need talking about, need saying, and I actually feel less embarrassed about my illness than I did when I walked into the room, which is a very good thing.